Okay, I just checked in and my room is very close to the reception area. But because of the luggage, they still use the buggy. But now that they have already put my luggage in my room, I'm just walking out a very short walk. So you can see it's divided into all the Palm Avenue, that is north. And where I am at is actually west, Palm Lane 2 west. And actually this is my villa. So my villa is 202. Okay, so let's follow me for a wonderful room tour of my villa at Sailing Club Signature Resort in Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Okay. So welcome. This is my villa, again at Sailing Club Signature Resort in Phu Quoc. Actually, for this property, they are all villa property. Okay, so I need to put my shoes in here, and then they got the sandals here. Okay, so have a quick look over here. Is the living room area. So 2 steps down, there's a television here. Okay, a very generous survey area, and then you can see the beach towel here as well because the pool is just outside. But before I go out, I want to show you indoor first. And you can see, the trending audio set. Okay, so a dining table good for 8 people, which is awesome. And thank you very much for the welcome. A bottle of red wine and some snacks. And then they do have the app, so you can get all the information from there. So I'm at Villa 202. But if you like, you can also get the news on this wonderful leaflet. Okay. And then there's no durian, definitely do not want the durian in here as well. So the room is fresh and everything, so that is good. Okay, so let me show you on this side is the kitchenette and a small bar area, like how my home is set up. Okay, so they have all the crystalware. They have the coffee capsule machine with 4 capsules. So the capsule is included, but all other things in the mini bar is not. But then they also have the microwave. Okay. And then with the stove oven, if you want to stay here for a couple of days and want to cook, all the cutlery is here. Oh, as well as the dishwashing machine. Okay, let's see what it is here. Okay, just open from here. Oh, okay. So this is the fridge. And this is my welcome as well with the fruit and the dessert plate and everything. Welcome to Sailing Club Signature Resort Phu Quoc. Oh, very nice. I have to go and take a photo as well. Okay, so the milk is included, but again, all others you need to pay, and under like the minibar under the charge list. Okay, and then there seems to be a hidden door here. Okay, Okay, you just push. Oh, okay, so that's a powder room here. Okay, so if you do not want to walk up and you're, like dashing back from the swimming pool in here, you can have the bathtub as well as the washing machine. Okay, let me turn off the light to save some energy. Okay. Okay, so let me walk up and show you. So my room is on the second floor. So you can see here, the reason why it is so bright is actually they have the window ceiling. So this gives the whole room a very bright and lovely resort feel. Okay. So my room here. Okay. So this is the bathroom with the bathtub. Very good size and deep bathtub. With nice amenity. Of course, you recognize his name. Okay. And then this is the toilet. And then the rain shower is here as well. Okay, double sink. Additional bottle of water. Actually, I have to show you because they showed me the water machine, but I will go down and show it to you. Okay, so this is my room. A very nice welcome, with the towel art and craft by the housekeeping staff. My girlfriend asked about mattress. I always check the mattress to make sure it's very good and thick. The linen, the frets and everything is good. The pillow as well, have the pillow choice and everything. Okay, and there's a television here. That's the safe deposit box. And then I put my luggage in here. And then they have a lightweight wardrobe, bathrobe in the wardrobe. And then they do have iron and iron board, as well as the weight in here. Okay, so this is one bedroom. Actually, for some reason, I think they have upgraded me to have more bedrooms. So I actually have 3 bedrooms here. So this is a twin bedroom. So my second bedroom. So, which is good for family if you have kids. And then this is my third bedroom, which also have a king size bed, a television, as well as, although it's a curtain, like not a fixed door, but with the walk-in shower as well. So it's an ensuite room as well here. Okay, so again, it will be good for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 8 people. So this is a very good size villa and very good value, good price for a family of friends to come and have a nice holiday. Okay, because what I'm trying to show you is, I open it up. Okay, so they say, this is the water dispenser with hot and cold water from Toshiba. Okay, so instead of like bottled water, I guess for sustainability initiative, they have the water machine. Okay, let's go out to the outdoor. This is the area where everyone comes to a resort in Phu Quoc. Love to know what they're getting when they're booking a resort or hotel. Okay, so you can see a very good lawn with two, you know, I would not say beach, but you know, the bench. And then this is the long indoor pool. Okay, so just to show you how long it is. So it's 1.1 meter on one side and 1.6 meter at the end. So if you have kids, you just need to take note of the depth of the pool here. But they can definitely play around this shallow area and have a lot of fun. Okay, and then you can see the privacy here as well. Okay, so this is the upper floor. That's where I was just at and showing you. And then this is the privacy. So technically, when you're swimming or in your villa, you do not see other people. So very good security and privacy at this hotel. Okay. So I'm checking out a few hotels here with, during my stay. And I will be staying at one of the sister property, which is not a villa, which is a boutique hotel, which has very high rating, which is the Seoul Boutique Hotel, and they share some facility. So I'm going to check it out tomorrow and stay there for one night as well, because I want to see both properties. Okay, so now I'm going to book my spa treatment. I, taking a very early flight, so I want to have a spa treatment and then check out the beach club and everything for lunch. And then I will show you everything here. So it looks like a wonderful start that I have in Phu Quoc. Just continue to watch and follow me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so after a 5-minute shuttle from the hotel, now we're at the beach club, the sailing club, beach club.